Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Mayo and just the proceedings today after Balui said he will bring a new witness out of the blue. Guys, we were just like, nansogele ambush ayikhuluma ngayo late Mgomezulu Beno Zandile Mshololo. Actually, ambush came kakhulu nomshololo. I was just like, hayibo guys, honestly, sesine witness sisame kancane ngogininda ngoba naye lo into zakhe ayihlangani. We want information, we can't get anything out of him. So I don't know why would Baloyi bring up again indaba kaNtokozo. So he brings in the LPC, right? The LPC, it's Legal Practitioners Council. I don't know, uzama justify the thing yokuthi lalelani. Angithi you said Mjiyako is non-existent, akaphili, he's not alive, like akaphili. But you know what's crazy though about Mjiyako? Remember, I have said before, Usifiso Meyiwa washo ukuthi when he came in for the first time, he was there in court. And Mjiyako forced himself through dances through to what he, nope, I'm here for you. I don't know you. So Manju Baloyi also is coming up with another story. So you know, actually, I'm confirming the phone as well, the phone number. But I'm not my phone numbers. Ilawa, who that way actually manufactured and cooked to buy he made these phone numbers and these ups and did his own thing there to pin these guys. These 5 accused. These are their phone numbers. After got the opening Vitalingam was like, hey, but those people are not even near the crime scene. So Baloyi utige, no, I have verified the number. He did actually call him Mjiyako to represent him. And the Untanzi had said, Mina Lomuntu Langmazi, he just rocked up one day in court and then what's he, Mina? He's here to represent me and he's sent by my family. And I don't know the guy. And Ntanzi maintains he doesn't know anything about Mjiyako being sent by his family. It's like, they would maybe try to tell me, oh, we're paying a lawyer for you, you know. So, Mr. Sambo afike. Stanley Sambo is lying through his teeth. Now, here that guy who be bambeka. So basically, job description is admin. This guy, he's like in administrative side, which includes like your registering of law firms, the new lawyers, obviously Mjiyako. That's the reason why he's there. This guy, why he came, because obviously it just feels like Namgan register Mjiyako Ngiamazi. Although maybe he didn't really register him, but it's just putting it out there on record, as I would say. Uguti yebo Mjiyako is actually an admitted attorney. He was actually admitted in 2012, Mjiyako, on the 26th of March, as a lawyer and registered at the same time. But with North Gauteng court, but only received his letter of confirmation on the 5th of May, 2020. I was like, Njani, how is that even possible, guys? So many years. It just didn't make sense. That's when I saw it. You know what, Nailo? Utole envelope. But at least when you are legit, you'll have certificates, you'll have staff of Mjiyako, you'll also have your things to say that you actually do work for LPC. I'm just like, please. Like, you are in it as well. You are in it. Upagati inside. Ngeke. Uhamba nje namhlambi munye with uBaloyi. The thing is to let Baloyi in the middle of nowhere. I'm just like, the trial is definitely a trial. Ambush. We are being ambushed. Ngalo guy manje LPC. Listen, Nina, I need you had said Mjiyako akekho. No, Mjiyako khona. Bamregister. What is your problem? But guys, your confirmation, you only receive it on the 5th of May. What registered on 2012 on the 26th of March? Okay, guys, it's something that's amiss there. Right? LPC, were they misled by Mjiyako? Is the guy from LPC lying? That's my question. Please, guys, in LPC guy, Stanley Sambo, Nimbona, not All right, is he legit? Is he genuine? No, he's not authentic at all. He is most deaf, a liar. And then it turns out to, but that has come out, I've talked about it as well before, Umjiako also actually did work for the city of Johannesburg and resigned in 2020 in December. And Umjiako, it's very strange how he was. Hey, it's vague into Umjiako, guys. It's been though, how he worked, and but he's never really been independent. Yes, it doesn't come out. At some stage, Ubale once read some letter from some law firm. Dunkel is like next to Hyde Park. I'm just like in Johannesburg. I'm just like, hey, guys, I just want to come Jiako. And then I letter I left the from the courses nazo singenaphi. Baze babuza ukuthi okay, what is this letter for? Thina singena kuphi mhlawumbe buza defense. Just to confirm again, ukuthi Umjiako exists. And Umjiako at this point, we don't care about him, guys. I guess is it even going to help us? Untanzi, on his testimony, one page Umjiako. What's angimazi lo muntu? I don't know this guy. And it said it in Zulu, loud and clear in the court. Like I don't know this guy. Except for ukuthi umuntu akafika wayefoster mina manje sekufanele ngivume ngithi ya. And I even said Umjiako was actually brought by Ukinindi. And he works around those people unabantu bakhe. What guy wena uzoma lapha necourt uthi uzomela lo. Vela ka indawo uzohlala ejele lo. Don't worry about it. Uyayizwa kodwa guys. Guys, there's a lot in sense of Mewa's case, and like I've been saying, it needs to stop. At some stage, you finally to know, actually, this is crap now. This hogwash, let's stop now. I see again. This is crazy. You know? Ngoba into Jiako, Untogoso, Dominic, it's not make sure, eh? So, guys, I was still saying Umjiako worked under some law firm who will brief him sort of abantu Tizeni that he worked with. So he worked basically as a referee. What is that, guys? Umjiako's things are shady. You remember last year ngathi uBaloyi igama lakhe usneaky shady Baloyi. Yeah, he proved again today which is that person uBaloyi. Hi guys, uStanley tried so many times to explain the existence Umjiako, but it's just not working. You could see what he's lying through his teeth, and I'm like, he's so small, this guy. And at LPC working as admin, guys. Because you are now turned a liar by Brigadier Kininda and George Baloyi. No, the rest of the defense will expose him. This guy, honestly, guys, I don't know what you think about it, but just let me know your thoughts. But guys, defense is I can just see. And have you seen Ramosepil taking another direction? He was busy with the guy already. I just haven't done that video. But I'm just like, what? Ramosepil is just taking another direction. Usip. I'm like, what is going on with Usip? When people were dragging him on Twitter, you actually failed Untanzi when the questions that you were asking there, what was that for? And then you didn't even finish. Abruptly, you were done with the cross-examination with Ukinindi. What's going on? What must I say? Oh, don't. I'm cool at some stage. Ramusipil guys, Ramusipil is not that person. Also, Ramusipil is actually not even a fighter. He's just at work. Concentrating to even Ngomezulu was fighting for Rata. But abantu baseKatle home, they were like, hey, please don't tell us about that judge. Just leave us alone. But to Ramusipil, guys, why are we like this? In a way, this is actually my boss, you know? Rata, guys. So I was still saying, Ubaloyi basically ambushed us again today. He ambushed defense. On Friday, basically. What I know, JJJ, Yamaz, and it must say, we've added a new witness, so it's a JJJ. You had even interpreter, but the interpreter, guys, the other day was speaking Ndebele. Just tell me if I'm wrong. I was just like, bro, what are you saying? That's not Zulu. Or again, Zulu Aloy. Utin. I was just like, today, hi, that was Ndebele. I'm telling you. I was like, Utin. Okay. And Ubaloyi thinking he was happening when he brought to Stanley to come and lie, and we will see right through Stanley's teeth. Ugunamanga uStanley, guys. Stanley's lies, oh my gosh, I was just like, this guy is so young, sebemfakile emangeni. Uzofika kaphi with these lies? Yo, so I just wanted also to say ukuthi uRamasipile shame keeps on excelling. You saw ukuthi uRamasipile even the AVLs, it was like, we want them. Noma kungenzakalani. He's on Munisi's side nje uyambona. So he keeps nje on excelling. I'm just like, yo, Shame is taking other directions. But you are amazing when it comes to things like technical. You started already with technical situations, those are his things. It's good with those things. In any case, I give that to him. Guys, people let you don't know. Who's standing it up, guys? For example, I'm just like, guys, I was like, he brought so many people from the South African police services. Angazi abangaki, guys, half of police services has come to testify. For what? They were not in the house. Sifuna uKelly no longer. Washo kahle Mngomezulu what those two people are my main people. Bese kuba uMakhubu. Ngiyababona ke nje uButhelezi and other people that Omnis is gonna call. But Omnis, guys, is on the tip. I need to funda ama-notes ka-brothers. 40 to 60,000 pages. Yeah. So everything Mngomezulu that is done, Omnis is going to do and go through them. And sizobabiza bonke abantu esibafunayo. We're just not gonna ambush anybody or say ambush a state. Any NPA, guys, I was looking nje weekend ngithi NPA inawo amahloni kodwa mayibona ubaloyi. Like the bosses of the bosses who are not involved in this hogwash. But maybe when izinto ezikanje they just like, what is this? No, they need to control the situation, guys. You understand that we can't live like this with these lies. Nobody before the end of the week uzokutshela ngenye witness engayazi ukuthi sizosinceda ngani, like uStandi what was he doing there? So it's not gonna end well uzothi ngishilo. So ngisama kancane for now, Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Ngithanda over.